My name is Ben Schwartz, and you are watching LifeMinute TV.
I play Ben Schwartz's ex-girlfriend who comes back to town wanting to get back together with her, and she's engaged to somebody else, and it really throws a huge bomb in her life, honestly, you know.
I kind of fail in LA and I have to move back home with my folks in New York. And I'm kind of a messy character, and my character comes into contact with Billy Crystal. And Billy Crystal plays a dermatologist who's kind of like a messy character as well, like a form of alcoholism, and we kind of lean on each other and figure this stuff out while we're going. Oh, it was the best. I got to be like friends with him and learn from him as a human being. It was lovely. Nothing could have been better.
I play Owen, who is Ben Schwartz's character's ex-girlfriend's now husband. We had to do this scene where I chase him in a wetsuit, and it was freezing. I think it was November, and it was probably about 20 degrees outside, and it was supposed to be like summer. We're surfing and everything, and we both had to just be chilled. Like, we had to be like taken constantly away and like stuck in the room and just like huddled. You know, it's like, oh, it looks like we're really summery here, but we're not.
I play the mother to Ben Schwartz, and well, we laughed a lot because he makes me laugh because I think he's really, really funny.
Well, one day we were in green screen, and I'm dressed as Thanos. Thanos is the guy who destroys all the villains, and he's dressed as Captain America. And it was a big $100 million set piece, and it was no, we didn't do it. That's literally it's Avengers. Our movie cost like $5.
I just opened Tootsie, the musical, on Broadway. We just opened a couple of days ago, and I'll be off to do it again in a couple hours from here, so I won't get to see the film tonight, but I'll be back later in the week to see it.
I just finished New Amsterdam, which is running right now, and don't know what's next after that. We'll see.
I've actually been writing a lot recently, which is really cool. It's sort of that thing where you're like, man, it's time to like start creating the roles that I want to be doing, because they're few and far between. Like really strong, cool women. So yeah, so that's what I've been working on.
Oh, I'm doing Sonic the Hedgehog in November. I play Sonic, the voice of Sonic, and Jim Carrey's in it, and James Marsden's in it. So it'll be very exciting. And then a bunch of stuff is maybe happening, so I'm not allowed to talk about it yet. But if it happens, then we'll talk.